loves, in this reading, we will going to have love reading and message from your person. Okay, let's see the energy first. And then, let's see. Oh, Mark A. Okay. Ayan. Okay. So, in this energy, I hear na some of you are ghosted. So, ito ay para sa mga na-ghost. Nakaranas ngayon ng abandonment. I also hear that. Or sabihin natin kinato off ng mga special someone nila. So, dito, my loves, every time na lumalabas itong si Archangel Michael, ay parang sabihin na natin, in other words, ito ay divine protection. I hear that na itong nangyayari na to is for divine protection. So, kumbaga dito nakikita natin na meron ng black, ginost ka, sabihin natin, nafe-feel mo dun yung anger. Most of the time is nalulungkot ka din at hindi mo maintindihan bakit kailangan kang ganunin ng taong minahal mo. Pero ito, my loves, this is confirmation na you are prevented from harm. Kung ngayon, until na naguguruhan ka pa rin, meron something are ready to expose, ready to explode. So, kumbaga, eto may apoy. Malalaman mo na, you will going to find out saan nanggagaling yung usok na yun. Ano ang dahilan ni universe, ni Archangel Michael or your guides para mag-intervene dito sa connection na to. Let's see more confirmation about this. Kumbaga dito, hindi mo maintindihan. Pero alam mo, my loves, every time talaga na lumilitaw dito si Archangel, lagi talaga nako-confirm na ito ay para sa divine protection. Minsan kasi, my loves, merong mga lumilitaw na talagang may nag-intervene na ibang tao. Sila ang dahilan kung bakit nangyayari sa love life mo yun. Pero right now, this is strong confirmation. And I hear na some of you are nako-confused din. Yan, healing heart, my loves. Palm tree, yes. So, spirits wants you to know na isa sa mga dahilan nito ay para turuan kang maging stable and magkaroon ng security. Spirits wants you to ensure your growth and endurance here, my loves. So, dito, don't worry kasi makakaya mo naman yan, yung pinagdadaanan mo na yan. Sabihin na natin or i-consider mo, spirits wants you to consider that this lost or ghosted state kung nasan ka man ngayon is a form of freedom from toxic relationship. Okay? So dito makakaya mo siya. You are healing, my loves. And learn from the past. Okay. So dito, hindi pa natin ito masyadong ma-confirm. Ano yung apoy ng pinagmumula ng usok ng lahat na to, but ito is, I hear and I strongly hear na isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit din nag-intervene si universe and the spirits is because your person are not yet move on from their past. Okay? They are not yet move on from the past. They are still reminiscing the past. Kaya dito, my loves, you deserve growth. Kumbaga, wala kang paglago, wala kang growth dito sa connection na to kasi your person are still into their past love. Okay? So, strong confirmation, my loves, hindi pa siya nakaka-move on. They are also healing, trying to heal sa yung relationship. But I also hear, hindi mo deserve yung ganitong klase ng love na gagamitin ka lang para sa pag-heal nila sa kanilang past. Okay? So, you deserve permanence. Okay? You deserve like this palm tree. Kumbaga, si spirits ay protecting you kasi maybe dito kasi nakikipagrelasyon ka sa isang taong hindi pa totally healed. Okay? They are still reminiscing. They are still reminiscing. Let's see. Message from this person. From your person, isipin mo mabuti yung person mo at eto ang kanilang mensahe sa'yo. Okay, my loves. You speak to me through music. Okay. So many things remind me of you. Oh. Okay, so this is a strong confirmation, my loves. Sige, dito meron kasing reminiscing na nag-confirm, di ba? May reminiscing, my loves. But dito parang, kumbaga, kinonfirm dito ng yung person na ikaw yung kanyang naaalala. Okay, let's see more clarifiers. Kasi parang biglang pumasok dito yung message ni person mo na, kumbaga, ikaw yung kanyang iniisip. So, anong dahilan? Bakit? Bakit nandito yung pressure cooker? Diba? Kasi, I just wish things were differently. You have so many choices and options. Ayan. Okay, ayan na nga, my loves. My loves, okay, di ba na medyo na-confuse tayo regarding this, but eto, the strong confirmation is meron nga talaga, may something talaga na parang currently working on something yung person mo, hindi pa talaga, pero dito, my loves, is sabihin na nating eto, yung mensahe na to, my loves, ito yung tinatakbo ng kanilang isipan right now, yung tinatakbo ng kanilang puso. So, may tendency talaga nag-reminisce yung taong to for someone. Okay? But, eto yung kanyang direct na mensahe, I am in so much pain. They are currently wounded, my loves. Okay? I just wish things were different. And they know na marami pang dito, katulad ni spirits, they know na marami pang mas deserving na tao kesa sa kanya. Okay? So, dito, my loves, para mas matanggap mo pa if ever kung wala kang idea kung sino ba yung tao na yun sa past, pero dito, they are so much in pain. Ano mo din yun? Malalaman mo din, my loves, yan. Yung anuhan yan. Pinanggagalingan. I also hear na lahat ng pain na to ay, kumbaga, kung makakaya niya, pero kasi hindi, spirits wants you to know na hindi mo deserve yung ganitong klase ng love. Na kumbaga, you are still in relationship, pero may wounded pa rin siya. That's unfair for you, my love. You deserve permanence, okay? You deserve growth. Kung maybe wala kang growth dito, walang assurance tong relationship na to. Kasi hanggang ngayon, they are working on themselves. Okay, let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. So, the moment na naririnig mo to, my loves, huwag ka magmadali to find out kung ano yung pinagmumulan ng usok na to. Pero, one of these na yung pinagmumulan ko, ano man yung, kung halimbawa, tratos ayon yung person mo is maybe wounded pa nga sila. They are currently working on something. So, allow this situation unfold naturally. And this is the confirmation, my loves, na someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. Hindi pa talaga nila inaamin. Maybe kahit na i-address mo to, hindi nila i-admit, my loves, na they are still wounded. Okay? So, dito, para mas maintindihan mo lang na dito, this is God's protection. Kung ano may pang-ghost, kung ano man yung, sabihin natin, hindi ka man ghost, binrake ka, na sabihin natin ang reason, lalo na pag sinabing reason ay ikaw, meron silang problema, my loves. They are wearing a false mask. Okay? Unfold this naturally kasi may tendency na pag mas lalo mo tong they are ready to explode, okay? Hayaan mo mag-explode, darating din yan, huwag ka magmadali na malaman yon. Pero ang kailangan mo maintindihan dito is kung ano yung reason ni spirits, bakit inalaw niya yung pangyayari na to. Oh. Okay, freedom, my loves. Free yourself. There is nothing stopping you. The path is clear if you want it to be, my loves. Freedom. It's your freedom. Sabi nga din ng person mo, marami kang choices and options. Huwag mo ikulong ang sarili mo sa kanya. Okay? Free yourself. The path is clear if you want it to be. Andyan si spirits. Huwag mo yung kakalimutan, my loves. And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.